I already put also G1 garlic slices. So we'll put now this minced meat or kima. Ayan, para magisa-gisa. Ayan. Na boil ko na ito. So madali na lang ito maluto. Now we can put now also this beans, string beans. And then yung carrots, mamaya na yung carrots. After 5 minutes, ilagay ko yung carrots. So, i-cover natin. I already put carrots. Now we can put now this cabbage. And this coriander leaves. This one, coriander leaves. So we can put now also. If there is singkamas, then it's more bitter. It's more tasty, but no more singkamas here. So I have only 3 kinds of vegetables: cabbage, carrots, string beans, and this coriander leaves. And now we have to put now also salt, and then soy sauce. If you have oyster sauce, then you can use also, but no oyster sauce here. So just only seasoned with soy sauce and salt. If you have this chicken, flake chicken, then it's more tasty, I think, but I don't have available, so I use substitute this minced meat. Now we have to cover it. Now let's check. We'll taste is enough salt and if this vegetable is already cooked. Taste is okay, and also vegetable is already cooked, so I will turn off now the flame. Next I have to do is I have to prepare the wrapper. We will prepare now lumpia sariwa wrapper. So I put 1 egg here in bowl, and then half cup of water and pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. If you have olive oil, then you can use any kind of cooking oil you have to use. Now we have to mix well. Mix natin ng maigi until the eggs and water mix. It's become mixed well. Ayan, oh. Now we have to put now this all-purpose flour. I use only half cup of this one. So since I make only 2 pieces of lumpia sariwa, because I'm sure they don't like this one. I'm only the one who eat this lumpia sariwa, so I will put this one, but I will not put all this one all. I will not put all this one. So we have to mix well until this flour, water, and egg mix. Yun bang walang buo-buo, yung walang lumps. Ayan, marami pang buo-buo. So must be, you have to mix well. Now we have to add more, 1 tablespoon. If you want to make more, then you can adjust the ingredients. But since I will make only 2 pieces, so I make only 1 egg. That's why I use only 1 egg. If you use more, then you can use 1, 2, or 3 pieces of eggs. Then cooking oil and salt and all-purpose flour. So we have to mix well this one. Ito na yung dough na mix ko na masyado. Dough must be watery and texture must be like this. So when we will cook this one and put in pan, if you have non-stick pan, then you can use in. Then if you don't have, then you can use ordinary pan. So this is okay now. So ready to make now wrapper. Yan, oh. Dapat ganito yung ano niya, texture niya. Yan. Para pag ilagay sa pan ay hindi mahirapan tanggalin. Yan. Hindi ko nilagay lahat yung half cup. Kasi siguro I think this only 2 or 3 pieces wrappers. Lumpia wrapper sariwa. Ayan. Wala nang buo-buo, wala nang lumps. I already make 1 wrapper. Fire must be very slow. I did not make video because I think it's become palpak, but it's successful. Ayan, oh, ayan, oh. Ayan, tama lang yung nipis niya. Ayan. Oh. So, next, I did not put oil here because I already put oil here in dough. Now, we have to put again 1 piece. Ayan. So, this is, I make half this one. Ayan, ganyan lang yan. Ayan. Dalawa lang yata ang magagawa. Kasi, kunti lang yung ginawa kong kasi, dough. So, dalawa lang pala. Di bali na. Kasi, wala namang kakain. Dapat siya, ganyan para yan oh. Oh. I-occupied yung pan ba? Ito nakagawa na ako ng isa oh. Ayan. Walang litos, so ang substitute ko ay coriander leaves. Oh, ayan oh. Yung medyo napunit yung wrapper. Pero okay lang. So lagyan natin ito ng coriander leaves o kaya parsley. Ayan. Ayan, nakita nyo. Sandali. Ilagay ko dito. Ayan. Oh. Tama na itong coriander leaves. So, lagyan ko na ng fillings o kaya palaman. Ayan. And then, i-fold natin. Ayan. Ganyan lang yan. Oh. Ayan, oh. Tama na yung palaman niya kasi, marami na yung palaman niya. Ayan. Ganyan, oh. Gumagawa din ako nito, pero hindi masyado sa isang taon. Once lang akong maggawa. So, ito yung yung natira na fillings. Ayan, o palaman. Pwede ito iulam sa kanin. Ayan. So, ito yung aking nagawa. Dalawa. Ilagay ko dito. Pwede din kayo gumawa ng sauce, pero hindi na ako gagawa ng sauce kasi hindi naman ito pang commercial. Pwede na ito ganyan lang kainin. My homemade lumpia sariwa. I use coriander leaves instead of lettuce because I don't have lettuce. Ito na lang natira kalahati. Tinikman ni Fatma at saka si Langga, gusto niya rin. Kaya kainin ko na lang itong kalahati. Sila kaya hindi siya kumain at saka si Fahad. Ayaw nila yung walang anghang. So ito kainin ko na lang lahat para hindi aabot bukas. Para fresh pa. Sarap.